Troubleshooting Repairing Consumer Electronics. 3rd edition by Homer L. Davidson. McGraw-Hill Publishing. This e-book includes contents such as servicing methods without a schematic, how to locate, test, and repair, troubleshooting and repairing audio amps, large and small, servicing auto receivers, servicing cassette players, troubleshooting CD players, troubleshooting the TV chassis, servicing power supplies, servicing stereo sound circuits, troubleshooting M or FM or MPX stages, VCR and TV or VCR combo repairs, repairing remote control units, DVD player repairs,